Maximizing crypto earnings with copy trading. A BingX tutorial. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, investors are constantly seeking ways to optimize their returns and navigate the volatile market landscape. One innovative strategy that has gained significant traction is copy trading, a feature offered by leading crypto exchanges like BingX. Copy trading empowers investors to automatically replicate the trading activities of experienced and successful traders, potentially unlocking new avenues for growth and diversification within their crypto portfolios. In this comprehensive BingX tutorial, we'll explore the benefits of copy trading, how to get started, and strategies to maximize your earnings. Understanding copy trading. Copy trading is a powerful investment tool that allows you to automatically mirror the trades of other traders on the platform. By connecting your account to a master trader, you can essentially outsource your trading decisions to someone with a proven track record of success. The key advantages of copy trading include: 1. Access to experienced traders. By copying the trades of seasoned investors, you can leverage their market expertise and trading strategies without the need to develop your own extensive knowledge and skills. 2. Diversification. Copy trading enables you to diversify your crypto portfolio by exposing your investments to a wider range of trading approaches and market sectors. 3. Reduced emotional bias. Automating your trading decisions can help you avoid common behavioral biases such as fear, greed, and overconfidence, which can often lead to suboptimal investment decisions. 4. Passive income potential. With copy trading, you can generate passive income by having your account automatically replicate the profitable trades of your chosen master traders. Getting started with copy trading on BingX. To begin your copy trading journey on BingX, follow these simple steps. 1. Create a BingX account. Visit the BingX website BingX.com and sign up for an account. Don't forget to use the referral code 911 to take advantage of exclusive benefits. 2. Explore the copy trading platform. Navigate to the copy trading section of the BingX platform, where you can browse through a curated selection of master traders, view their trading history, and analyze their performance metrics. 3. Choose your master traders. Based on your risk tolerance, investment goals, and the trader's track records, select the master traders you wish to copy. BingX offers a wide range of options, catering to various trading styles and risk profiles. 4. Set your copy trading parameters. Customize your copy trading settings, such as the allocation of your investment, the maximum drawdown you're willing to tolerate, and the maximum leverage you're comfortable with. 5. Monitor and manage your copied positions. Regularly review the performance of your copied trades and make adjustments as needed to align with your investment strategy. BingX user-friendly interface and real-time data updates make it easy to stay on top of your copy trading activities. Strategies for maximizing copy trading success. To optimize your copy trading experience and maximize your earnings, consider the following strategies. 1. Diversify your copy traders. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across multiple master traders with diverse trading styles and risk profiles to mitigate the impact of any individual trader's underperformance. 2. Continuously evaluate and adjust. Regularly review the performance of your copied traders and make changes as necessary. Be prepared to switch to different master traders if their strategies no longer align with your investment goals or risk tolerance. 3. Utilize risk management tools. Leverage the risk management features offered by BingX, such as stop-loss orders and position sizing controls, to protect your capital and manage your overall risk exposure. 4. Stay informed and adaptable. Continuously educate yourself on market trends, emerging technologies, and industry developments to make informed decisions about your copy trading activities. 5. Take advantage of BingX's referral program. Don't forget to use the referral code 911 when creating your BingX account to unlock exclusive benefits and rewards. By following this BingX tutorial and incorporating these strategies, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your crypto earnings through the power of copy trading. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks, so always conduct thorough research, diversify your portfolio, and manage your risk accordingly. Start your copy trading journey with BingX today and unlock the potential for passive income and enhanced investment returns. Visit BingX.com and use the referral code 911 to get started.